how it blows the stuff out the back.
Yeah, the waste. Wow.
So if that was oats, they'd come oats and hay.
Yep.
Wheat, they'd come make straw out of it.
Yep, they would. Those things have air. I never was inside one, but I guess when you're running them, they tell you how the screen tells you how many per acre it's harvested. Pretty neat.
I see him in Flannery he does his oats and stuff. They have a blower that comes out the top.
Oh yeah.
They have a truck that runs right beside him.
Right.
They'll blow the oats and wheat right into the truck. Because that hopper fills up.
Mm-hmm.
He's gonna have to go dump that.
Sure is.
I don't know where he dumps it. Maybe he blows in. Because they have to. A lot of times they have a thing they put them in there and they heat them up and dry them and stuff.
Yeah, they do.